Cleanup continues down in Western Kentucky. Governor Beshear says the Team Western Kentucky Fund has raised more than $20 million to support people there.
And donations from across the state are still flooding into that region as we head toward Christmas. Later this week, a nurse from UK HealthCare will be spending his Christmas in Mayfield, helping those in need. Jim Stratman has his story.
We talk about the season of giving this time of year, but giving comes in different ways. The response from Kentuckians to the catastrophic tornadoes in the western part of the state exemplify that. People giving money, people giving goods, and people giving their time.
I like to help people.
Like Justin Music.
I do it on the medical side, and definitely have taken care of people that have had, traumatic events and accidents and those type of things. But this is a different approach to that.
Music is a nurse anesthetist at UK Health. This Christmas, he and his wife will be hitting the road.
We are going to take our camper, and I've been in touch with the fairgrounds, the Mayfield Graves Fairgrounds. We're going to volunteer there some on Thursday and Friday morning.
On Saturday and Sunday morning, Music tells me that he and his wife will be out in the community in Graves County, connecting with some of the families that have been impacted by those tornadoes and giving out goods that have been donated by his UK colleagues.
There's an overabundance of things flowing into that area, but it seems like there's a limit on volunteers.
He says that he's not used to helping people like this, but help is help, no matter how it's given.
It will be different, a different kind of help, but still, it ultimately just seems like the right thing to do.
Reporting in Lexington, Jim Stratman for the Fox 56 10 o'clock news.